Hello, welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 1st. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed higher today, did make a new low. Overall, we are looking for it to potentially go as high as 80.61, possibly as low as 79.32. Look for some resistance around 80.25 and look for some support around 79.62. Now, the Euro-USD pair had a very large range day from high to low, had a very small open to close range, did close a little bit down. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 133.40, possibly as low as 131.45. Look for some resistance around 132.81 and look for some support around 132.01. Now, the pound US dollar pair has been moving strong to the upside, did pull back over the past two sessions. We are looking for it, however, to potentially go as high as 163.02, possibly as low as 161.33. Look for some resistance around 162.75 and look for some support around 161.50. Now, the US Swiss, this pair closed up during this last session, did have a pretty high, pretty large range. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 191.39 on a reversal. Look for it to potentially go as low as 0.8998. Look for some resistance to come into the market around 1,900, 9,100, and look for some support around 0.9040. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the German unemployment change for April being released at 3:55 a.m. Eastern. Of course, that will affect the euro. They're showing a slight drop or improvement rather from a negative 18K to a negative 10K. So hopefully it will go down. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go over to the Euro USD, let's drop down to the hour time frame and take a look at what happened during today's session. You can see the market went up initially, pulled back a little bit, but then continued higher until we had this strong news event that dropped it down. At that point, you can see that it's come around, swinging back around, and has leveled off to some degree. I'm looking for, if we get a break of this high, looking to buy and basically looking to exit right about here, which is about a 30 pip move. So looking for 30 pips. Let me drop this on here so we can just take a look at it. So if we get a break to the upside, looking to grab roughly 30 pips. To the downside, risking about 30 pips as well, putting a stop loss right here. So that is what I'm looking for during this next session. It's a one-to-one risk to reward, basically looking for this to retrace over the next session if it breaks above the 132.43 mark. Well, that wraps us up for today. Till next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.